Hi, I'm Tony from Primeline Products. If your current shower door bottom seal is discolored, moldy, or just not doing its job anymore, this is the perfect replacement. Building on the success of the Primeline M6258, designed for 3/8 inch thick shower doors, we now have options for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch thick shower doors. The M6256 is a new size designed to fit 1/4 inch thick glass doors, which is the typical thickness of shower doors in most newer homes. Keep your bathroom looking great and free from water leaks with the new Primeline M6256 frameless shower door bottom seal. It features a dual flap and a 45-degree drip guard. It's made of clear vinyl material designed to attach seamlessly to the bottom of a 1/4 inch thick frameless shower door without the need for any adhesives. Now, before ordering, it's important to remember that standard shower doors come in different thicknesses. This seal is specifically designed for a 1/4 inch thick door. That's a maximum of 36 inches wide. But don't worry, it can easily be cut to fit a narrower door like mine using a hacksaw, rotary saw, or a utility knife. Also, make sure and measure your door's thickness before you order. Is it a 1/4 inch? Is it 3/8? Is it a 1/2 inch thick? Primeline has you covered with all the sizes. And here's a Primeline tech tip. To help prevent leaks and keep your bathroom looking pristine, make sure the M6256 frameless shower door bottom seal drip edge faces the interior of your shower. Order your new Primeline frameless shower door bottom seal today. If you have a question, just drop a comment.